Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today's Spaetzle recipe is probably the most traditional one in Germany. It is an authentic Swabian Spaetzle recipe, usually made by hand, but in this recipe I will show you how to use a stand mixer or hand mixer and a Spaetzle maker to make homemade Spaetzle easy and fast. Okay, let's begin. Add the flour to a stand mixer bowl. Then add the salt and nutmeg and blend both briefly into the flour. Add the eggs and mix on a medium-low setting until well combined. Now you can slowly add the water. Use filtered or sparkling water. Mix well until the batter is smooth and shiny. This takes usually about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium-low setting. Let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. I use that time to heat a gallon of water in a large pot. Add about 1½ tablespoons salt to the boiling water, and now you can start to make your Spaetzle. So, now add about 1/3 of the batter to the Spaetzle maker at a time. If you don't have a Spaetzle maker, you can use some other kitchen tools that you probably have at home. Below the video you will find some links to videos where I have explained different tools and methods you can use to form the Spaetzle. Wait until the Spaetzle float to the top, then let them cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can scoop them out with a mesh skimmer or slotted spoon, either into a strainer or in a pan with melted butter. And that's how easy and fast you can make delicious homemade Spaetzle. Guten Appetit!